morning to all. Hello. Hello. I'm audible. You know the your mark the attendance. Okay, fast. Okay. Wait 2 minutes. Okay. Hello. Hello, Sumit. Hello, I'm audible. Okay, now we start the new topic, the strategic environmental assessment for the process and method. What is the strategic environmental assessment? And use the process and method. What is the process of the strategic environmental assessment? And what is the method of the strategic environmental assessment? The new topic is start for the unit 4. Okay. Then now what are ESES, strategic environmental assessments? What is? A development planning tools aiming to ensure that environmental, social, and economical aspects of sustainability are considered sustainably in the policy and plans. The first you follow for the strategic environmental assessment for the policy and plans. What is the policy and plans for the strategic environmental assessments? Okay, thus directly depend upon the SES, but the environmentals, okay, and the social and the economical aspects. So SES directly depend on the directly and indirectly depend on the environmental, social, and economical aspects of the sustainability or sustainability policy and plans. These are the SES that directly depend on two factors. First factor is policy and plans. What is the policy and plans of the SES? And then now second one that depend on the environmental, social, and economical aspects. ठीक है, these two are the very important. First social and economical. ठीक है, तो SES जो हम लोग का strategic plant already should be economics and social. Okay, then now SES promotes social and economic equity. Okay, then now SES strategic assessments promote social and economic equity and ecological sustainability in the development decision. Okay, this is the SES. Then now the purpose of SES. What is the purpose? Okay, what is the purpose of the SES? Strategic environmental assessments of the purpose. This board strategies issue yearly in the planning process under the SES. Purpose of the strategic yearly in the planning process relating to more than one project. Okay. First point is the relating to more than one project, not the more than one and two. Sorry, not more than one. Always affecting more than one development sector. Okay. Then relating to large area, affecting many people and communities that need to be resolved and decision prior to making project specific plan and decision. Okay, the very needful for the solve the any types of project problem such as plans and decision. So any type of project, suppose you are construct the power plant in the WTP area. Okay, the first is the plan is very important, and in civil engineering works directly depend on the decision making. Suppose engineers some problems facing in the drawing, then why to solve the engineer? Okay, how to solve that? In just this any types of problem. So this time your decision is very important. Okay, this time any types of solve the problem for the regarding the WTP area, such example, then your decision is very important. Suppose you construct the foundation work. Okay, suppose the new you go to a new area, though you don't about this land area is the original soil and filling soil. So this time foundation work is very important. So in the drawing means suppose 2 meter depth of the foundation. Okay, okay, only mention the drawing 2 meter of the foundation, but in site problem. Okay, in site problem, this you should see the soil is very weak, not in the original soil. This is the filling soil. Okay, so this time what is very important. So some changes required, some change in the drawing regarding the depth of foundation. Okay, so this time you not You not phone calls to the boss and kids are, wow, this is the problem for the in the drawing, how to solve the problem. No, your decisions are very important. So any project, any time you take your hand, then your decisions are very important. Plans already specified. Okay, but your decisions are very important for the any regarding the any types of project. So first your depth use a 2 meter in the measurement drawing, but this site condition is the very loose, very poor. Okay, so this time you change the drawing in the change in the drawing in the writing the rate pins. Okay, this depth is the greater than the 2 meter, 2.5. Okay, why? Because this is the soil condition the very bad, not very considered soil is the more, but this is the your decision is the greater than the 2 meter the depth of foundation. Okay, your decision is the very important. Okay, so this is the purpose of ACAS. Then now follow similar step of EIAS. EIAS means environmental impact assessments. हमने already discussed about the previous class. The ESHI, environmental clearance. The environmental clearance in the under the EIAS. Any types of project start. Suppose power plant. Suppose your greater the project is a 500 megawatt. Okay, your power plant project is the 500 megawatt power greater than. So this is the category under A. These are two types of project, category A and category B. The category is the greater than 500, category B is the less than 500. Okay, but you are under the category A. So okay, this time environmental clearance is very important. So how to take the environmental clearance? The many types of a step, follow this, then you get the environmental clearance. Okay, so this follows similar step of EIS but have much larger scope in terms of time, space, and solid coverage. Okay, the EIA in EIA, environmental impact assessment. Finally, your environmental clearance department and the front of EIS committees, you get the presentation. In the presentation, you get the lastly after 12 to 18 months, you get the environmental clearance from the Ministry of Human and Ministry of Environmental and Forest Department. Okay, but only you without EC, not any types of work done. Only boundary work you only boundary work do the work without environmental clearance. Okay, then serve as an umbrella level of analysis and fits and guides more specific EIS and improves the year. Okay, so this is the purpose of ACAS. Then now, environmental assessment and monitoring tools. This is the cycle of the monitoring tools. First, four main tools in environmental assessment: ACAS family, EIA family, M&E, and audit family. This is the four family of the environmental assessment tools. Okay, this first start from the which places? Suppose first start is the policy. What is the policy of your company? Okay, then now after policy, the national sector development plans. What is the development your sector plans? Then project feasibility. We have already discussed the environmental clearance steps. First step is project feasibility, means all details of project regarding manpowers, your estimating costing, how much your amount of project. Okay, then now let's next one is a step is the project design. Okay, what is the project design? Then now project construction, then project maintenance and repair, then lastly review and assessment. So this is the cycle of the environmental assessment and monitoring tools. Okay, how to manage the any types of project, how to start, in which places. So first you start the policy. First you make the policy for the any types of project, any type of company. Your company have the policy. Okay, then national development, then project feasibility, then project design, then project construction, then project maintenance, repair, then review and adjustment. So these are the environmental cycle, environmental assessment and the monitoring tools. Okay, policy under the strategic environmental assessment, EAA. Okay, then national development plans, cumulative impact assessment, CIA. Okay, project feasibility, EIA. So these term project design, construction, maintenance and review under the EC. मतलब environmental clearance. Without environmental clearance, you not start the work. Any type of start the work. Only start the boundary work. Okay, you only start the boundary work. Then, this is done. Okay, any problems? This is the very important. You start the big project. Yeah, any type of small project. Suppose you start the small project, but you not give the clearance, environment clearance. Because less than project is the only clearance about the state pollution control board. Agar your project is the under the category B, you get the permission from the state pollution control board. Why? Why? Because without state pollution control board give the permission for air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, noise pollution. These four types of pollution considered about you get the start the work. Okay, so this is the fourth. This is the policy, national development project feasibility project design. These are the cycle of the project is the environmental assessment and monitoring tools. ठीक है, then now the environmental monitoring, then the environmental audit. ठीक है, so project maintenance repair and review adjustment this comes under the environmental audit. Okay, so this is the monitoring tools. Then now ACA and EIA compared. How to compare the ACA and EIA? SCEA, strategic environmental assessment, and EIA, environmental impact assessment. What is the strategy? What is the environmental impact assessment? The first, SCEA that take place at the earliest stage of the decision making cycle. Earlier stage, SCEA, strategic environmental assessment, mein, you take the decision on the site, on this time. Your decisions are very important. Okay, then EIA take place at the end of decision making cycle. But you get the decision from the after some take the sometimes. Okay, but ACA take decision on this time and take and EIA decision after to sometimes you take the sometimes. Okay, then now second multi-stage process with variation, example policy versus plans. Okay, but EIA well-defined process, clear being and end. Okay, then now proactive out in front approach to development proposals, but under EIA react to specific development proposal. Okay, there's some minor difference. Then ACA broad level of analysis, example focus on cross-sector links and issues. Okay, then EIA detailed cause effect analysis of the impact of project components. In this is broad level of analysis. This is a detailed cause effects. Okay, then consider potential wide range of development alternatives, but considers limit range of feasibility alternatives how to carry out the projects. Okay, then emphasis on meeting sustainability goal and then the EIA limited opportunity to address cumulative impact at project level. Okay, then large safeguard, goal and safeguard. Large focus on the must good as explore the best development. Okay, there is a focus on to list harm. So this is a compare the ACA and EIA. This is a very minor difference, but the difference is very important. The first difference is very important. The SCA under the decision making is on the site, but EIA affects sometimes your decision. ACA scan, how the strategic environmental assessments scan. Okay, this is an existing plan to improve environmental and social economic performance in an ongoing implementation. This is the first point is very important. Assess a plan which is to be revised to guide assessment to its revised form. Okay, then contribute to preparing a new plan. This your team member is contributing this for the new plan so that addressing environment and social economic concern at the plan take a shape. So both two types of factor you during the prepare the plan. This is the environmental and socio-economic. Okay, this is the strategic environmental assessment can. The strategic environmental assessment may have different forms. They can focus only on environmental impacts or integrate environmental, social, and economic dimension of sustainability. Okay, This engage a broad range of stakeholders or be limited to expert evaluation. Okay, be conducted in a short time frame or over a long period. Okay, so this is the different form that they can be the conducted in a short term frame and over a long period. To be most effective SCSR, how do the most effective? Is a statement strategic environmental assessments are best carried out as part of plan formulation based on quick appraisal techniques so that result remain fresh and relevant to planning and decision making. Okay, based on quick appraisal techniques so that the result remain fresh and relevant to the planning and decision making. Then now essays are much less effective as a stand-alone. Procedure one-off event are so as mega EIA, which cannot be reflected as a normal part of the planning process. Okay, this is the most effective to SCASR. The strategic environment assessment. This is okay. Any problems you have? Any question? Okay. Any problems?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, okay. Season Mekong region differ from the SCAs in Europe. The Europe SCAs are designed to be rapid desktop sustainability audits about 17-20 pages. They approach work where planning law and process are robust and embrace sustainability. The approach works. How to approach the works? That the planning process are consecutive, data and information is plentiful, and the development plans already considered alternatives. In the Mekong region, planning framework are often uncertain and developing rapidly. Consulting with the stakeholders not systematic data are limited. The SCAs are often much larger affair because they must. Okay, this is the Mekong region differ from the SCAs Europe. This is the two static environmental assessment. These are two concepts they differ Mekong and Europe. Okay. Then Mekong region essay tend to stand in the shoe at the planners. This often planner not place or not adequate. Example, the considering alternatives or community effects. Okay, there are few guidelines. There are few guiding sustainability objective. A special planning is absent or inadequate. Okay, then with limited information, SCAs need to expand beyond a rapid sustainability audit a development plan. Is under the strategic environmental assessment to the audit and of the development plans. How to audit? The audit means the economic and socio. In the construction, you audit is the very economic. Okay, this year become an integral part of the planning process by. How the planning process? The filling critical information gaps, the new analysis and research. And the gaps, filling the gaps information with new analysis and research. This is the any types of project. The facilitating a consecutive process that allow for database and build consequence on hot issues. Regarding this time, there's a very issues faces. They now introducing consideration of alternatives of their environmental, social, and economic consequence. The three factors are very important: environmental, social, and economics. During this any types of research work. That is regarding the due to the project on the project work. They are assessing long-term trends and cumulative effects. So this is the standard in the shoes of planners in the Mekong region. Some challenges for ECA. What is the challenge for the static environmental assessment? Which type of challenge? The being accepted to senior and decision making. Label and adapt for systematic use. This is accepted. Okay. Senior and decision making. Your senior accept your decision making level. Okay. Then now assessing alternatives and cumulative impacts. Okay. Then addressing cross boundary and transnational issues. Addressing cross boundary and transnational issues. Then you see at the policy level how to integrate with the political function and process. Okay, this is the policy level how to integrate with the political function and process. Then integrating with development planning and the cross sector. What is the planning, development planning? You're the which sector you living? Okay, your work in which sector? You see the development planning, how to develop this type of plan. Your planning already made, but you're not vision based development planning, but you integrate with the development planning and this is your sector. Effective public and stakeholder participation. A stakeholder means outer and inner stakeholder participation. Effective public and stakeholder. Okay, participation is very important. These are some challenges faces found for the ACA. I'm not able. Okay. Importance of a stakeholder involvement. What is the involvement of your stakeholder? So what is the importance? Any problem? ACA as a credible process. A strategic environmental assessment as a credible process. The ACA reports need to be credible and to have authority. Otherwise, decision makers will ignore them. Okay. ACA's reports need to be credible and to have authority. Otherwise, decision makers will be ignored them. Okay. To be credible, the report must be balanced. They must describe the benefits and the risks in an objective way. Okay, they must indicate where there are disagreements of the views on strategic issues and give reason for the conclusion it draws. The stakeholder reports and guidance is a key improving the CA's report to ensure they are credible so that decision maker will take them seriously. Any types of project you work, take the hand, your project take your hand, your decision making is a very important. So why not? You not seriously decision making. So on the site, site engineers are very important for the decision makers. Not key you call the boss and like how does work the process. This is a very big problem. You solve the problem. You solve the problem. You can. Not your boss come in the site and they solve the problem. Your responsibility. You take the project in your hand. You take the responsibility. You learn. This is very seriously. You always face the problems, any types of problems, such types of problem in the site. Problems such as accident, the labors. Okay, very big issues, very big issues, labor accidents. How to handle these types of conditions. You face the problems in drawing, very big problem. Every civil engineer work is the very critical. क्योंकि your BBS work, BAP and CDU work is the very important. How much reinforcement place in the this suppose such as foundation. The some changes you give the some changes on site. You take the decision. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, now the need for a stakeholder involvement. The need for a stakeholders involvement. The major challenge that usually involve the proposed development or process. Change can, which type of change can affect many communities and even many countries. Affect many communities and even many countries. Affect many development sectors relying on the same sources and areas. Okay, lead to long-term gains, benefits. Be irreversible to lead to permanent losses. Okay, then now who gain and who lose, who, where, and how. Means who gain and who lose. Understand? Who, where, and how. This is very important. Uncertainty must often be dealing with a situation to extreme uncertainty. You face the very extreme problems on the side. You face any type of situation you have brought. Okay, your decision is very important. Your decision in the extreme. Okay, then now expert judgment. Expert judgments. The decision need to be made based on the best available information analysis. This is the often limited in the uncertain reliability. Okay, the based on the best available information analysis, expert judgment, the on the level of risk. Okay, the level of risk is very important. You take the risk, your decision, just like risk. You not ask the boss from the boss, hey, sir, this is the very big problem. How to solve this problem? So this time you take the decision. Okay, this time take the decision to you. So this is the level of risk is the very important. This is high. Your project success is the very good. Not success, this is the very good. Very, very good. Key is this time you take the decision. This is the involved values and assessment about the future. Okay, this is the need for stakeholder involvement. Okay, in strategic development, benefits are often more readily defined than risk. Okay. In strategic development, benefits are often more readily defined than risk. The benefits become evident in commercial and economical terms from the early stage. Okay. The EIA often comes late in the planning process when economic benefits are already well defined. EIA under EIA, environmental impact assessment, comes late the planning process when economic benefit already well defined. Okay, the definition of risk or negative impact is not as easy. Okay, they are often hard to express in economic or commercial terms and difficult to integrate with economic decisions. Okay, they are often hard to express in economic or commercial terms and difficult to integrate the economic decision. Okay, come the economic decision take the terms of commercial. Okay, the SCIs are often counterforted with situations where benefits are relative well initiated and expressed in economic terms while the risks are unclear unsubstantial and indirect. Okay, this is the benefit. This is the benefits you express the in the terms of economic. This comes under the ACAS, Aesthetic Environmental Assessment. So how to evaluate the ACAS? In the terms of how to evaluate, how to can they evaluate the ACAS? In terms of economics, environmental and social. In three terms are very important: social, economic and environmental. ठीक है? Okay. Then now ACA step. What is the step of the aesthetic environmental assessment? What is the step of ACA aesthetic environmental assessment? Okay. The step in ACA process. This is the strategic environmental assessment. This is the many types of the steps. Okay. The first is the proposed development plan. What is the development plan proposed? In the proposed plan, in the plan under preparation. The proposed development plan is the plan under the preparation. Does this consider alternatives and social and event issues and environmental issues? These are two factors considered during this prepare the proposed development plan. The first is social, and second is environmental issue. This is the very important. Why? Without environmental clearance, you not start the work. Anytime you start the work, only start the boundary work. Okay. Social, nearest your project work, nearest your project, many people's lives. Your responsibility, your social, your nearest the people, your responsibility. Okay. You take the job near your project areas, leaving the person. Okay. Then now the screening. A screening means what is screening? Determine whether or not the SC is required. Means the study environmental is not required in the screening. Okay. Then third step is the scoping. What is the scope of the project? What is the scope of the aesthetic environmental assessment? The deciding what issue need to be addressed, setting the boundaries of the ACA, the scoping of the aesthetic environmental assessment boundaries. Okay, so what is the scope? A decision deciding what issue need to be addressed. What is the issues need? Okay, then now baseline assessment. This is the fourth step. This is the baseline assessment. The collective relevant information of the status. What is the status of the project? What is the status of your development plan? What is the status of the estimation of the value of the project? What is the status of the environmental clearance? This type of the task under the baseline assessment. Okay, then trends and drivers of change in key issues. Okay, the change the issue is the trends. Then now impact assessment definition, the impact assessment defining the impact of which type of impact during the assessment. To identify the likely environmental impact. Which type of environmental impact on this project? Social, economic, change under the various scenarios. I said three topics, 3 points: environmental, social, and economic. It's the very big issues during the project development plan. You kept environmental issues, social workers, and the economics. Okay, there are 3 points take the under the during the project development plans. Okay. This is the impact assessment. Define the impact. So this is the impact in the any types of plan of the project. First, likely identify environmental problems. Okay, social problems, economic problems. This is change under the various scenarios. Again, you to change the any types of project decisions. Okay, so you take the this type of 3 points in the mind for the start the preparation of the development plan. Okay, so during this time